Yeah, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to create a simple Android game using Kotlin. Let's create a new project. I'm naming it Simple Game. Please make sure that you have checked the Include Kotlin plugin. If you go to previous, you can see here. And I'm giving the default one and choosing empty activity. Finish. Please make sure that you are using Android Studio version 3 and above. Yeah, a new project is created, and here I want to change the main layout file. Let's create a play button for our game in our UI. I'm just gonna delete this default label and create a button for that. Let's name it play button. Play itself is enough. Here I'm giving center alignment for the button. Now let's go and modify the activity. So we want to move to a different activity when the button is clicked, so let's add listener for the particular button. Before that, I just want to modify the button identifier. Let's rename it as a play button. Yeah, here in Kotlin we can directly access the views by its identifier. We don't need to call find view by ID and all these stuffs. We can directly use the identifier as an view object. Here I am giving on click listener for the play button. So when the play button is clicked, we want to move to a different activity. Let's create another activity for that. No, not a Kotlin file. We need to create an activity. We can directly create an empty activity by choosing here. Let's name it as game activity. So we have created a game activity. We are going to show a game view inside the game activity. So let's create a new class named game view. Here we need to extend the basic Android view. Initially we will be having this basic view. Later we can change it to a surface view or GL surface view in our future tutorials. Yeah, this is how we can specify constructor using Kotlin. Here I'm overriding draw method. Let's blindly draw a color in our view draw. Let's draw red color in our view. Yeah, here we can directly give our game view in our set content view. Game view of this. So now we can write the navigation process. On click, when we press play button, we want to navigate to the game activity. So let's create intent for that. Game activity class. Yeah, fine. Now we can start the activity with the intent. Yeah, let's run and see what actually happening. Initially it take time to run the program on first time. This is a very basic tutorial which can be understood by a novice developer. That is why I choose view instead of surface view. Let's progress step by step. Yeah, here we can see the play button, and on clicking on, yeah, we are successfully navigated to the game view, and it draws a red color background as we draw here. So let's add some more stuffs on the drawing area. Let's draw a circle. For that we need to create a paint object. So let's create a paint object here. Paint equal to, and let's give anti-aliasing and filtering for the particular paint so that our drawing will be smoother. Yeah, in Java it is set anti-aliasing, but here we can directly change the flag. Yeah, is filtering bitmap equal to true. The same way paint dot is anti-aliasing equal to true. Yeah, that's it. Now we are good to draw a circle. So canvas dot before that, let's give some color for the particular circle. Let's give yellow color. Yeah, let's draw the circle now. Canvas dot draw circle, color dot no. For drawing circle we need to give center x, center y, and radius. Oh, you forgot to give radius, I think. Let's give radius before paint object. For now we can give 50 as radius. Let's run the program now. It should draw a yellow circle. When we click the play button, it should navigate to a view which has red background and a circle, yellow color circle on it. Let's check. I'm clicking play. Yeah, Now we can see a yellow circle. Let's do something else here. What we can do now? Okay, let's have a let's add some position for the circle and change the position of circle whenever we touch on our screen. So let's implement on touch event for this game view. Before, let's create position variables for circle x and y. Let's give some default position. Here we are overriding on touch event, and whenever the on touch event is called, let's change the circle position as the touched pointer, the touch position. Let's change the circle x and circle y to the touch position. Let's unwrap this event. So let's run the program. Whether the circle position changes whenever we touch on screen. It's not changing, so there's something missing in our implementation. Let's go and check. What did we miss? We are not using the updated variable. Oh no. Let's correct the spelling mistake. So now it should work. Oh no, it's not working now too. So what's the problem? We are updating position. Yeah, for every view we need to call invalidate for if we want to invoke the draw method, because if we don't call invalidate, the view will not get refreshed or redrawn. So now it should work. So as we see, the circle moves to the position wherever it touches on the screen. So now we learned how to create some basic game elements like play button and a game view. We learned how to draw stuffs on a game view. In the next video we will learn more stuffs regarding actual game. Thank you for watching.